How to reset Netflix password. So if you want to reset your Netflix password, then just follow the steps. First thing you need to do is launch your Netflix application. And after that, choose the account in which you would like to reset your password. Now, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you need to select the account option. In the account settings page, look for the change password option. It's generally located at the bottom of the account setting page. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. So you'll be redirected to the change password form where you will be able to fill up the details to reset your password in Netflix. You need to enter your current password and the new password and re-enter your new password. And after that, tap on save. And this is the last step. So this is the most important step. You'll see a sign out of all devices option and a checkbox next to it. Don't forget to check this box. This will make sure that any device currently using your Netflix account will have to sign in again using the new password. So that's how you can reset your Netflix password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.